Okay, question 3, part A. It says find the tangent to the function y equals sine of 3x plus 2 at the point x equals 0.9. Okay, so I've got to think through my process here. What I'm going to think about is, firstly, what's the y coordinate of this point? I'm going to need that. So let's find that first. So at x equals 0.9, and y is going to equal sine of 3 multiplied by 0.9. Let's make that multiplied just so it's not so confusing. Plus 2. Okay, this is a calculator job. I plugged it into my calculator, and I've got something like 0.9996. So I'm actually going to say, well, this is approximately 1. Okay, for this case, it was past 3 significant figures, so it rounded up to 1. Got to even write 1.00 if I want to keep with my significant figures. Okay, the next thing I need to find out is, well, what is the derivative of this function at this point? Because my tangent will have that same slope, won't it? My tangent will have the same slope of the derivative of this function at 0.9. Okay, so I need to find out the derivative first. So dy by dx is equal to, sine is cosine of 3x plus 2, multiplied by the derivative of my inside function, which is just 3. Okay, at x equals 0.9, then dy by dx is equal to cosine of 3 times 0.9 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Substitute that into my calculator and I get something along the lines of approximately negative 0.0372. Okay, so I have the key things I need. I've got the x and the y position. I've got x and the y position of the point of contact of the tangent and the function. And I also have the slope or the derivative or the gradient at that point. So now I can write my equation. So I'm going to go y, subtract my y value, which was 1, over x, subtract my x value, which was 0.9. And this is equal to my gradient, 0.0372. Then we've just got a process of trying to rearrange this thing. So I get minus 0.072x plus, and this multiplied by 0.9, according to my calculations, goes along the lines of 0.0335. And then I'm just going to bring the 1 over. Y is equal to negative 0.072x plus 0.0335 plus 1, which is equal to negative 0.072x plus, something's gone wrong. What's happened? Ah, yes, of course. Let's go back here. My calculator didn't say 1. I got carried away. It said negative 1. Classic Crispin mistake. So this means this is going to be positive 1, subtract 1, and I end up getting negative 0.966. 3 significant figures. I then am going to check that on my calculator. I'll plug it in. I'll make sure that when I plot this, when I plot this function, I plot this function, I can check that it intercepts at roughly 0.9. It should be pretty good, but this is 3 significant figures. I can also check to see that it looks like a tangent. So visually, I'm just doing a double check.